welcome to Linux Help. In this today's section, we are going to see how to use for loop for if the bot is listening or not on Ubuntu 22.04 version. Similar to other programming languages, Bash shell scripting offers support for loops to accomplish interactive tasks. The for loop moves through a specific list of values until the list is exhausted. The for loop operates on list of items. It repeats a set of commands for every item in a list.
At first, I am check the OS version. I am using Ubuntu 22.04 version. Now I am going to show how to use for loop for if the bot is listening or not. First, I am going to check with the command. I am using the lsof command. It will show the listening ports in name. Now I am going to add another option hyphen capital P. It will show the port in number. Now I am going to add another option hyphen N. It will show the IP address of the port. This is the command we are using in this script. First, I'm going to create a file. In this file, we are going to enter the port numbers. These are the port numbers we have stored in the file. Now save the file and exit. Now I'm going to create another file for script. In first line, I'm using shebang command. Next, I'm using variable here. Num. Then I'm going to give the value as ports.txt. File name here. Then I'm going to use for loop. Then I'm going to use another variable j. It will store the output of the command. It will store the value if the port is listening. Otherwise, it will store the empty value. Then I'm going to use if. Here I'm use hyphen z. It is a test operator that check if your string is null. If the string is null means then echo else echo the port is listening. Now I'm going to close the if statement. Also close the for loop by using done. Now save the file and exit. Now the file don't have execute permission. Now I'm going to give the execute permission by using the following command. Now the execute permission has been given. Now I'm going to run the script. 22 port is listening and 52 port is listening. 443 and 80 port is not listening because there is no Apache on my Ubuntu machine. This is the procedure to use for loop for if the port is listening or not on your Ubuntu machine.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.